Over the years, the spindle ground deeply into the moving jaw, which resulted in a lot of play and made it difficult to turn the spindle, which is annoying. Normally, there should be a crisp shoulder that pushes the vise together, but as you see, there's just a mess. The first thing to get this vise going again was to regrind this shoulder. However, I made the mistake to take too much off and kind of thinned the spindle, but I don't think that it will really matter. Now cutting a steel disc that will go onto the spindle and increase the surface area of the shoulder and keep it from digging in again. And welding the disc to the spindle. Now we're in business again.